Hey guys, back again, another video to help you out. This time we're taking the radio head unit out of this 2005 Honda Odyssey. It's pretty straightforward. The only tools you'll need are a flat tip screwdriver, and I would advise to wrap the tip in electrical tape to keep it from scratching or marring your dash. A Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm with a long extension, and either a ratchet or a small impact or a nut driver. It doesn't really matter as long as you've got something to do some turning. The first thing you're going to want to do is to remove the lower panel here that contains the heater controls. Just get underneath the corner here and pry on it to pop it loose. This one has the door button over here. You don't need to unplug this from the other side, but you'll need to pop this loose, bring it up over, and then you'll have a plug here on the back side of the hazard button, and then a plug down here on the heater controls right here. Just squeeze and just pop that loose, and then you'll have your radio here. There'll be an 8mm bolt here and another 8mm bolt over here, and then the hidden one that nobody can see is directly between these vents all the way back against the dash. You can't really see it, but I would advise using a magnetic pickup tool when you go in here to remove this, so when you get it loose it doesn't fall down inside the dash and you have to go digging it out. But once those three are out, then you can come back out here and pop this loose, and as you can see, there's the location of that third one. When you get this out, you'll then be able to unplug the plugs off the back of it. There's 1, 2, 3, and your antenna. These are all color coded so you can't mess it up. There's a trigger on top here, another one on top here, another one on top here, and then your antenna has one on the side. So squeeze that and pull that out, and then you'll have your stereo removed. But if this helped you out, drop a like down below and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.